It's a bit windy and a bit cooler than we're used to, but we don't care. We're walking along the seafront, that's all that matters. How have you got? Ready? How have you got? Hand again. Off you go. Oops. Off you go. So last night we managed to lose the dog lead on this beach. Come back this morning to have a look, but I don't fancy our chances of finding it, if I'm honest. Oh, Coco, I throw it, you're not looking. And while I'm throwing the ball, my bracelet goes flying off today. So, yeah, it's clearly a beach I'm going to keep losing stuff on, so I'm going to hang on to the other lead I've got. So I don't want to lose another. Centre of attention, don't you? Give it me back. Put it in my hand. Good girl, superstar. Now go. Dropped it. Must mean you want me to throw it. Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. It's going. You go with it. Good girl. It's gonna get you. Oh, and she's in that sea. Go. Whoops, I'm about to be in that sea too. Good go. I'm going in that sea, don't you? Is it warm? I haven't been in it yet. Go. Catch. Oh, it's going to get us. It's coming, it's coming. It's going to get us, goats. On. Good catch. Good girl. Woohoo! Coco. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, go get it. Come on, you can get it. Oh, Coco. You got it, superstar. See? Want to do a bit of rock climbing then, Cokes? Come on then, up we go. Do not fall off. Huh? Oh, this is not going to be a good idea, is it, with you? You shove your head down everything. Sky's gone a bit grey. Bet your life it's going to rain on us. And if it does, it'll be the only time today it rains. Just while we're out walking. That's what it did to us last time. History does repeat itself, you know. Can't get you to eat at home, but now look at you. You don't have to wander off. So, 10 AM in the morning, this is what this area looks like. Let's see what it looks like at about 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Just prepping the deck. I am using that magic little brush that I use for weeding, and it's actually bringing a lot of the dirt up out of the grooves. You can already see the difference between the bit I've done and the bit I've still got to do. So yeah, so far so good. Yeah, definitely starting to see the difference. That's the side I've cleared. That's the side to clear. Oh, so this is where we're at so far. Oh yeah, it's dried nicely.
How long it take? Land in a bottle.
Come on then. There they go.
Down the beach at this time of night, you have rows and rows of the gulls, and they're standing there like they're guarding you.
So are you. Come on. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. That's it. Okay, Gable. I'm ready. Are you ready? Are you go, go, go? I'm ready. Are you steady? Oh, it's going to get us.
They've probably watched the paint off the leg.
Yeah, that's true. Ready? Are you steady? Go! I will take it off you if you want me to.